I am the manufacturer of nanotechnology gel tape based in China. So this tape uses advanced nanotechnology to offer superior adhesion and without leaving residue is perfect for a wide range of applications, from securing items on walls to temporary mounting when using. Ensure surfaces are clean and dry for the best performance. The tape comes in various sizes, including lengths from 1 to 10 meters, widths from 10 to 50 millimeters, and thicknesses from 0.5 to 10 millimeters. Store it in a cool, dry place to maintain its adhesive properties.